This
Hello,
conference will now be recorded.
hello, hello.
I'm audible.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So we'll start the class now. Okay. Last class we have discussed about this conditional formatting, right? So that same concept will be going on today. Last class I told you some highlights the sales rules. Okay. Greater than I shown you. One more time I'll show you what is the greater than and what is the top buttons, what is all these things. What we have done that will not repeat and which we have not done that I'm going to teach. Okay, so last class we have done with this multiple sales colors, like we have done color scales, right? We have done color scales by using three colors scale, and we have used here like data bars, we have used here data bars, we have used color scale, we have used icon set, we have used. Okay, so and we filled with a different format like pattern color, and we did bold and italic, all these things, right? So today I am going to teach another some things here. Now suppose I am taking one mark sheet, so I'll select some sales, and so this we did in the products names. So I am to select this data, and I'm going to merge center mark sheet of the students. So mark sheet of the students. Now I'll take some names here. Some students name I am giving here, and I am creating here mark sheets for that. I'll take your tally. So this is the names I am giving first. So this is the STD. You can write STD names. This is your tally marks. Suppose I am taking the subjects like this. Then MS Office, MS Word, or I'll take like MS Office full. Next I'll take HTML. Okay. Next I am taking suppose uh, Java. So this I am taking here, and some more subjects if I'll take. So first I am entering here SAP. That is also one subject. So I am entering some marks here. Pinky. Then Priya. So there's many students I have. Sorry. MS Office marks. So this is 80, 76. Sorry. This is 66 and 45. Like this we have entered. So Java, I'll give 90.
First, tell me whether am I audible to you?
Hello?
అది నాది కాదు అది సుజాతది.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. ఓకే సార్ పెట్టేయాలి.
So you're able to see the screen here? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
we have to do calculations here by using one functions that is called sigma functions. So you have to find out the total values here. So how to find out one shortcut keys also I can tell you alt equals. So that is called 363. How it came one more time I'll show you. See this. Just press alt key and equals. So this is called total sum. Click on this and just double click on this. It will be update for others. Okay. So this is my total values. Okay.
Can you repeat again?
Okay. So just fill the data here and put the cursor here. Alt plus equals. Either you can use in this way or you can put the cursors, go to the auto sum functions, sum. So if you click on sum, it will be coming here. So if you'll use shortcut keys also it will come. If you'll use the sigma functions auto also it will come. So just double click here, it will update for other sales. So that is the things. So what is the shortcut key here? Alt plus equals. So that is the shortcut key for sum. So I'll write here to add the numbers in a cell range. So what is the shortcut keys here? That is alt plus equals. So if we use like this, it will be update for others. So this I am going to give one sales style. So heading 1 I am giving here, and this I want to give one sales style like here heading 3 or heading 4, or I'm taking here 60% accent, or this I'm giving 40% accent color here. So I have done calculations here by using one shortcut keys totals. Now under this I want to find out some values here. Conditional formatting highlight the sales rules. Okay, so I want to find out the greater thans already I discussed I think. So greater than values I shown you in this way, but today I am going to teach you new rules. I want to going to teach new rules on that. So click on this new rules. Format all cells based on their values. So what you will do, either you can take color scales, data bar, icon set. Last class I taught you data bars, but today I am going to teach you data bars by using this some extra format. See this. Last class we did normal data bar with pink color with the gradient field with the pink border. But if my data bar has a different colors, how I can get to know? So select this, go to the conditional formatting, new rules. In the new rules, first rule itself, format all cells based on their values. So I am selecting now data bar. In this, we can select solid fill or gradient fill. So I am going to select now gradient fill. Colors is I am going to give that light blue color. Border I am giving here solid border. And what is the border color? Default it is taking as a black, but I want to change is as a pink. So you can see on the screen what I did here. I selected the first rules. I select the format style is data bar. Then I selected fill is gradient fill. I have not taken solid fill. Colors I have choose this one. Standard color only I choose light blue color. So this is blue, this is dark blue like this. So I have used light blue color and solid border. So I have selected solid border and colors I have choose. Suppose this color is not displaying, you can go and choose the color. Okay, so click on OK. So now you can see this is the difference in between this. So this is same color with the same data bar. Here I have used this is your light blue color data bar with the gradient fill and pink color solid border. So this is the different formats here. Now I'm going to select SAP and I want to do conditional formatting and go to the new rules itself. So in this, now I'm going to the second rule. What is the second rule is telling? Format only cells that contains. Okay, click on this. Now we can see there are some options is there called cell value, specific text, date occurring, no blanks. Blanks also we can find out, no blanks, error, and no error. If your data contains some error also, you can give conditional formatting on that. So I am find out the cell value. I want to choose between, not between, equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than. All these things is there. So I am going to teach you now between values. First options itself, I want to find out the between values like 70 to 80 or 90 I am giving. So the values which is in between the value 70 to 90, that I am going to give formats. So when you click on the format, you have to go to the field. Okay, so understood this. Now I'll go back once. Select the cell, accept the field name, go to the new rules, click on the second rule, and format only cell with the cell values. Between you can take based on your queries. So right now I'm using between, and 70 and 90 I have taken. Click on format. Then I am going to the fill effects. What I'm going to do, fill effects now. Click on the fill effects, and then we are selecting two color scale. So two colors means I'm going to give here like purple, and I'm going to give here pink. So this is darker color, so I'm changing here colors as a green. So I'm taking here little yellows or else. So you can see from corner, diagonal, you can see the variant how it will be diagonal of vertical, horizontal, diagonal down from corner or from centers. So I am taking from this corner itself. Click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. Now you can see these are the values which is greater than, sorry, which is the value between 70 to 80. So I can mention here these are the values between 70 to 80. So this is the values we can find out. So you can go to the insert tab and illustrations part, click on shapes, and just keep on this headings. So you can see this is the
I'm
values
at
between
70
60,
to 90.
70 to, sorry, 90 this is. So I am going to F2. This is your, I'll choose 90. Yes, this is 90 is there. Okay, so this you can highlight it, more center it, and you can give format so it will be visible good. So give the normal color itself, or you can give little field colors. This is your green essence 6 lighter 60%, like this you can give. So next is like Java. So what is that? I will select this. Now I am going to the third rule itself. Go to the new rules. So I have to go to the third rules. Like second rules, you can do other things also. We can choose greater than, not equals to, all these things you can do on that. I'm going to the third rule now. In the third rule, we can see format only top or button ranked values. So we have two options here, either bottom or top. So we are selecting top, but I don't have a 10 datas also. If your data contains 20, 50, 100, so you can find out the top 10 values or top 20 values. So right now I have only few students like this one. So I'll find out the top 3 values here. Click on format. I want to go to the font. In the font, I can show you this underline, single underlines. Colors I can choose like dark blue. You can choose dark blue or you can take purple. So I am choosing here dark blue. Superscript, subscript also we can do. And click on OK. So click on OK. Now you can see these three are this one. So I'll change this, delete this name. I have the 6 values here. So you can see 90, 98 and 89. These are what? What is the value in this? What I applied here? Third rules I have applied.
Top,
Top 3
top
values.
value.
So it is top 3. So I'll mention here this is the top 3 values. Okay. So this also you select merge and give this colors as a another colors yellow. You can make it as a border and go to the insert tab, illustration shapes. You just point out this is the top three values. Okay, so likewise you can select your data here. Next is HTML columns. I'm going to select and go to the conditional formatting new rules. In the new rules I'm going to, you can find out the bottom also in different colors, but format only the values that are above or below average. So what we need to do here, I have two options like above, below, equals to, or above, equals, or below, like this. So I'm taking suppose equal or above. Okay, so click on formats. uh, Here I want to give borders, colors. I am choosing pink here, and you can choose the border styles. This is the colors, this border I am choosing, and click on OK. So equals or above, one second. Okay, so it is, we'll take above because it's a average. So if I'll take equals or above average, so we can give this formats here, colors we can give. Automatically it will calculate which are the above or below average. So it's not taking, so I think it's how to find out the average here. Go to the auto sum, click on average. So this is my average values. So this is my average value. I want to find out the above average or exactly on this. So select new rules, go to the above or above average, you take formats. You can take field, or I'll give patterns here. We can give pattern fields. You can give font, bold, italic. I'm going to do here little bit colors. So this is green. Click on OK. Click on OK. So this is not executing. One second. Bold, italic. Select the colors. Now it's came. So these three are above average. So if I want to find out the above average, so this is the average value. So average value is my 72 point, this one. So this is known as average. This is the average values what we find out. Okay, and so this is above, this is average. So what is the above average values? So above average values in the sense like, this is the above average values here we can find out. Next is we have to go to this. Next option is go to the conditional. So I am taking MS Office. Select the conditional formatting, new rules, and next one is duplicate values. So how to find out? We have two options, either unique or duplicates. So I want to find out the duplicates value here. Go to the format. I am going to the here field, and or else I'll select borders. One more time we'll try on this. So click on this and I am taking here purple color border, and or else pink colors will take, so it will be visible here. Click on OK. Click on OK. So it is, there is no duplicates value. If I want to make it as a 80, so I think that option is not activating here, so I'll do another one. So new rules, go to the duplicates value, click on format. I'll change the feel, and I'm taking here standard colors, more colors. I'll take this fluorescent color, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now you can see this two are, what is that? Your duplicates value. So here you can write here duplicates value. So duplicate values here. So these are the duplicates values. Next is your tally marks. I am going to here conditional formatting. I'll select this. Go to the conditional formatting, new rules, and the last rule. Okay. So last rule I'll apply for the whole sheet. Now in this one more I want to show you like conditional formatting. I want to see this equals to values. You can find out equals to, less than, between, date occurring. If you'll go to the top 10 values, this is bottom average, below average. If you'll select data was like this. But here I want to use icon set. Okay, icon set I'll use, but I want only the name should, only the icons should display, not the numbers. So in that case, what you will do, select the icon set. Okay, so I am giving suppose ratings, or this is your, we have a different 5 quarters. We have a flag type, and this is your three symbols circled is there. So I am taking, suppose this is your 4 ratings, or you can select this also, you can select this also. Okay, suppose I am taking here this options. Okay, so what we'll do, select the symbols and go to here conditional form, but still my numbers are displaying. I don't want numbers should display, I want this only, it will display. So what I'll select here and go to the conditional formatting, manage rules. So I'm going to manage rules. What is the meaning of manage rules? You have any doubts till now? If anyone has any query, let me know that.
No, ma'am.
Everyone is understanding. Any point you have not understood, all these 3 4 columns? Okay, so we'll go to the manage rules here. Create, edit, delete, and view all conditional formatting rules in the workbook by using the conditional formatting new rules manager. So if when I'll click on this manage rules, I'll get this box, dialog box, I'll get it. See this, I have used this one. I want to edit in this rule. Okay, I'll show you once again how I applied. Suppose I'll select this. If I want to different conditional formatting icon set, I'll select suppose this buttons, or you can take ratings like this. Flag type it is there. Suppose I'm taking this flag type, or else this is good only. Then I want to do manage rules. In this I want to do edit rules. I should not, the number should not display. So where you have to click, see my pointer, show icon only. What is that? Show icon only. If I'll click on this, click on OK and click on OK. Now you can see only that what is that, icons is displaying, not the numbers. So how I can get back this again? So when I'll select this, only the numbers, you see, it should display if your formula is correct, if your selection is correct. So you will get to know this in the formula bar, what numbers was there, why it is coming blue and tick mark. Suppose I am changing here as a 56, is it updating here? Suppose I am taking here as a 78, is it like? And if I am changing here as a 72, now you can see it's also updating, right? So this is called your icon set without numbers, and numbers as hidden. As soon as you click on this, you can see on the formula bar the number will be displaying here. Okay, so this is one set. Now I'll select this and I'll go to the next conditional formatting. That is, I'm going to the text that contains. Where is that text that contains? I want to find out the particular names here. I want to find out the Ankit name I want to find out. and I will give the red border on this. Okay, so red text it will be, if you want to red border it will be highlighted with the red border. Click on OK. Now you can see Ankit has highlighted because I searched Ankit in that from this column. Okay, so this is the conditional formattings, and one more I want to show you the last rule how to do that. Okay, last rule for this I want to take a one different tables on that. Okay, so anyone in any doubt till that? So conditional formatting, any doubts you have, like you can do equals to between text that contains. If your my data's date occurring also, I'll show you once again. Duplicates value, you can find out more rules means this rules only will come. So in that all the base rules you can do that. Okay. So these are the rules. Last rule I am going to tell you, but before that I want to show you what is the date occurring. One more is there, a date occurring. Okay. So I'll take one different data for this. I'll select this merge centers. I'll take productions. One second. Unmerge the sales. Okay, I'll take this and I'll do. So this is the productions reports. Here I did sales reports. Here I'll take different data like. So I'll take sunflower, cooking oil. This is here I'll take. Or else I'll take Tata, they already we did, and cornflakes. Okay, so some of the data I'm adding here. This is Tropicana. Okay, so this many I have given here. So this is QTY, or I'll take your place. Hyderabad, Kolkata, Chennai, sorry, Chennai, and thus Mumbai. Okay, so this is your uh, production. So I'll give your product code. And here I am giving your prices. And this is production. Okay, so product code I am giving here like PR00, PR001, PR002. I'm like this, I'm giving, I'll just select and drag it. Okay, so price I am taking here, assuming price I am giving. So this is based on the quantity and production also you can give QTY. Here this is I am giving price. I'll get one more column on this. This is I am giving here production. Okay. So quantity, suppose it is in grams, or suppose kg, it is in kg. So what you will do, quantity F2 you will press in kg. Okay. So this is 600, this is 50, 700, 500, and this is your 550. Okay. So this is price. So price per kg I'll give. So this is F2 kg or dash forward slash LTR, like this. So either you can price per kg or LTR. Okay. So F2 you can press or LTR. Okay. So LTR stands for liter. So this is F2 and or LTR. Okay. So this is your little liquid items will be LT, Amul butter, all these things it is there. So this is price per kg. Suppose I am giving per kg sunflower cooking oil is 110. Amul butter I am giving 85. This is your Coca-Cola, suppose 65. Cornflakes will be 90, and Tropicana juice also 120 or something I am giving. So productions how much? So productions also I am giving some numbers: 800, 780, 760, 570, 900. So like this productions. Okay. So this is one table. I am going to give one table style here. So I'm not going to table style, just I'll show you that how it will be. So select merge centers again and give the sales styles here. Okay. This I am going to give here colors. Make it as a bold. Increase the size. Now you can see I am applying the productions which is greater than equals to 700. So how I'll do this? This is I am ruling the last rule. This I am following the last rule of conditional formatting. Last rule of conditional formatting. What I am going to do here? So I am selecting this entire. So you can see this is what is my sale address, F49. Okay. So I'll select the entire and I'll go to the conditional formatting. This is the new rules, last rule, and select the last rule itself. So here I want to find out the, that is F49. So you have to put dollars. We'll see it will work here. Dollar symbols you have to do F49. 49 so is equals to, or this one 700. Click on format. So go to the fill effects. I'll choose the preset color here. We can choose here preset two colors, or else I'll take blue and I'll take yellow, or this I am giving these colors and yellow. So from corner, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. So you can see now it's full highlighted. So this value I want to change as a 450. It is now reducing. So you can see entire sales has been highlighted, which production is more than. So what conditions I have applied here? What conditions I have applied? So I have applied highlight the entire row which has the production, okay, what is that, between, or which is productions greater than equals to 700. So that conditions I have applied here. So I'll highlight this. So go to here. This is my point. Okay. So make it as a bold. So this is the highlight the entire row which has productions greater than equals to 700. So what I have applied here, I'll write also equals to dollars F49 is greater than equals to 700. This I have applied the rules. So this is the true it is telling. I'll select this and you can see. So this rules I have applied here. Okay. So this rules I have applied and says is like that. So here I'll go insert illustrations, shapes. You can see what rules I have applied. Okay. Now you can see this rules I have applied here. Last rules of the conditional formatting itself. So make it as a bold. So you can see last rule of conditional formatting, highlight the entire rows which is production assembly. So any doubts in this? Any doubts in this conditional formatting?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, so we
Yes,
have
tell
to
me.
put that in the description, right? This one
Yes,
is equal to dollar F49.
yes. So you will find out on that. Just to
Then what should I do
mention
after
because
that,
you will
ma'am?
get to know that. So how we'll do? Just you select this. Don't select the headings here and select the entire. Okay. And you have to go to the conditional formatting, new rules, and you can apply the last rule itself. Okay. Last rule you have to write here this options. So what options you need to write? Equals to this I have given. Equals to dollar symbol is must F49. F49 means just below the productions. First rule, first cell you have to select to find out the result and greater than equals to 700. Go to the format. You can give fill effects. You can give plain colors. You can give any other formatting in that. Okay. So this is for entire row. Okay. So likewise we can do. So these are the things. Next, I am going to tell you one more conditional formatting that is based on your date
Excuse me,
occurrence.
ma'am.
Huh, tell me. Any doubts
Ma'am,
anyone have?
in the previous table, under the tally
Marksheet table.
columns, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Under the tally column, we have removed the numbers and instead we put symbols. So, is
Yes.
there any criterion for which the cross symbol will come or the tick or exclamation mark? I mean,
Yeah,
how do
you're
we decipher
let me
which
little
number does
loudly
it
you tell.
stand for?
I'm not getting that.
Um,
Hello?
ma'am, ma'am, can you hear me?
Huh, but little loudly you speak, so that's what.
Okay. So,
Huh.
under the tally column, we have removed the numbers and instead we have
Yes.
put symbols. So, how
Okay.
do we decipher these symbols? I mean, cross stands for which to which number, tick stands from which to which
Huh,
number
correct.
that?
How can you get to know? So select this, you will
Yes.
find out the numbers itself. Again you want to do means you can recheck it. Suppose select this, go to the conditional formatting and manage rules you go. Now again you go to the edit rules. If you want to show this, click on this and you will get the number again. Okay. So for your understanding I told, but if you want to see only the icons, in that case only you have to click on this, so icon only, so you will get to know this. Okay. So just like you are asking me how we can find out where is the cross, where is the tick mark and all, so just click on
Yes.
this, we'll find out the values here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other doubts you have?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So
Excuse
next
me,
one
ma'am.
more table I want to show you with the date
Excuse me,
occurring.
ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat that is equals to SF49?
This one.
How? Yes, ma'am. I didn't know how to
Last
use it.
rule. Okay. I'll just
Yes.
copy this table one more time. I'll show you this.
Yes, ma'am.
So This I'll going to clear formats here. So I'll just clear the formats. So go to here, one option is there. So you can see here clear all. What is the clear all? Everything will be clear off. Okay. So if I'll here also I'm telling clear formats means formats will clear off. Control Z for undo, like clear contents. So that is also it will go off. But right now I want clear formats. So clear formats I did. Now I'll select the entire again. So just you have to select, it is not F49. Now what is my sale address? This is F61. As soon as you put the cursor here, you will get in the name box what is F61. Okay. Just you have to remember the first cell. Then you select the entire and go to the conditional formatting here. Click on new rules. Select the last rule and here you have to type, this is F61, so equals to dollar F61 is greater than equals to 700. So click on format. I'm going to here give pattern colors. I'm giving here pink and I'm giving here this one diagonal stripe. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can see these are the three rows which is greater than equals to 700. So any doubts in that? Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Only you have to remember this particular address sale and this formula like this you have to put that. Okay. Why it is you suppose
Ma'am, how did you put the
only
formula
the
in that?
entire
Well, ma'am.
details of the particular product I want to see which has production more than 700. In that case we can follow this rules. Entire details will be highlighting. Okay.
Ma'am, I understood how did the formula come, but how did you put that formula in that way, ma'am? How did you write it in that way? By dragging
No,
the.
I'm not getting that. So this
Ma'am,
formula
how
you are
did you? Yeah, yes, ma'am, I understood from how did the formula come.
see according to that formula is very simple. You have to
I got.
put
I
dollars
understood
with
how
this.
to get the formula, ma'am. When we are
Okay.
pressing, we'll get it on from the on top. I understood that.
Huh.
How did you use the arrow mark and put it down? I mean, typed it down.
Okay, this one you are asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Arrow mark in the sense like this shape you are asking. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So what
Like,
you
how
will
did
do
you
in this,
particularly do
suppose
that?
I understood that. This is very simple. Put the cursor here. You can give the borders also to find out this. And what you will do, select this and go to the insert tab, illustrations part. Okay. So I have used shapes here. This is my line arrow. Okay. So you will select and you will put in that. That's all. It's a shape only like that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So to understand, I have marked out like that. Okay. So next, I'll show you one date occurrence on that. So this data, so I'm going to clear the formats here. And suppose instead of this product code, I am going to give date. Okay. So I'm changing here as a this cell remove. Here I am giving date of production. So date of production, suppose I am giving uh, this is suppose I am giving 5720. This is a production of 2020. So this is suppose think in a different table. So 2115 022. Suppose this is the different year production is there. This is think different tables, and here this is place is same, categories all same. This you can change it also. So price products I am given, productions I have given. Suppose I am taking as a this is sales I am taking. Date of sales. Here I am giving total sales. Okay, so I am changing here some of this, and if you want you can change the price also. 760 I am giving. Here I am giving suppose 850, 560, some things I can change it. So let me explain about this, how to do date occurring. So select this, go to your conditional formatting, and you can go to the your date occurrings. Okay, so date occurrings you want to find out. Suppose this is your first sale. So I'll do one more things here. Control X, Control V. Okay, let it be like this. And date of sales, conditional formatting, and here you can go to the date occurring. So when date
Excuse me,
occurring,
ma'am.
it will show the yesterday or something last month, next month, like this. So it is only for the today, tomorrow, last date. Why I have given to understand
Excuse me,
this?
ma'am.
Ha, tell me.
Ma'am, some background music was coming while you were speaking.
Maybe someone is using, because here there is no sound. Uh, Maybe someone is unmuted, so it is
Okay, so
coming from
now
there.
it's clear.
So now it is okay. From this center, it is no sound at all. Maybe some is unmuted, and the sound is you are also getting on that. Even I am also
Yes,
listening that
ma'am,
sound.
it's okay.
Okay, now see here, suppose I am taking here, it is all about your last date, last month, like this. So I am taking here all 22. Okay, so I am going to change here. This is 52022. Okay, all it is be 22nd months, 22nd year only, 2022. I'm not taking different year datas. Okay, so this is all in same year. I'll select this. So conditional formatting, you can take day wise also, as it is telling. So you can see yesterday, next week, last month. Okay, so next month, like this. So suppose you are doing next month, it will not come last month. It will ask you last month, and this is your red text. Click on it. Is not displaying because it said 2020 22 datas. So you can change it as a 1 1 20 23. Check with this, it will come. So it is taking, is highlighting now. You can see that 2 hyphen 2023. Okay, so this is your, I am taking because it will take up, suppose 1 3 2023. So it's highlighting automatically. So yesterday date was like 5. So this I'll take 1 5 2023. Now you can see these are highlighting. So you can see these are highlighting because I have based on this. Go to this here. This only one data is not displaying. So I'll give one. I'll give suppose 2. Select this. Go to the conditional formatting, and this you can see as a text that contains. So text that contains. Sorry, this is date occurring. I should take. So date occurrings. You can take yesterday's. Yesterday red fill, or I'll take yellow fill. Click on OK. It's not taking. It should take yesterday's. Okay. We'll select this. We'll just clear the formats. 1 second. How to convert into this one? More number formats. So you can go to the custom here. DMMY. Click on OK. So you can see this is the format. It's a February. Okay. So February data is displaying. If I'll convert into Like this is 2 hyphen 6. So this is 6th wave. Okay, if I'll select this, go to the conditional formatting, date that occurring, this is the 2 days, and it's highlighting now, and green filled with dark green text. Now you can see today's data is highlighting. So this is the date of sales. So you understood this? So this is 2 days date. Suppose this is I am taking 2 hyphen 4. So this is the yesterday, this is 2 days before, you can see that. So 6th Feb, 2 days data is showing as a complex, right? Suppose you are selecting on this and you want to do conditional formatting. So based on this, so you can select that. Okay, so this is called date occurring. So this almost all conditional formatting is over for today. Okay, any doubt in this conditional formatting? Anyone has any doubt on that? So we'll proceed to the next exercise, like your format as a table. So we have discussed format as a table last class.
Ma'am, we have just
I think
used
we
it
have
just
done.
one of them. We have not done it in deep.
Okay, format as a table we have done last class, I think, in my knowledge. So that is your different style convert into range. We'll check once
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
done or some things. Okay. So this I am giving as a name, conditional formatting. Okay. So table styles, what is that? Now we select the table. Go to the format as a table. You can give any table color. I think we have done this.
Yes, ma'am. We have used in one of the
Ah,
tables.
yes, yes. Normal table we have used last class. Okay.
This one, ma'am. The
Conditional formatting. Okay. One more time I'll show this. So anyhow you select this table. Go to the format as a table. Conditional formatting is over now. Now I am going to select this one, orange table ascent, table style medium 3. So click on OK. My table as a header. So you can see this is the things. It is coming in that way. And you want to select this, and colors you can change here, home, and change the colors. Sorry. Next is you have to go to the table design tag, convert into range. So if I'll convert into range, it will be converting into range itself. There is no functioning on the table. Okay. Likewise, we can insert slicers, we can remove duplicates value. Last class we did not, we have done remove duplicates. We can add a total row. We can use first column, last column, banded columns, we can highlight in that way. Sorry. Next is we can add total row here. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
next, tell me any
Ma'am, can
doubts
you
you
tell
have.
the use of convert to range?
Okay, so what will happen if this data is in functioning now? I can short A to Z, Z to A like this. Correct. So this is a Z to A. But once I'll convert into range, so the table will stop functioning here. Okay, so I'll mention here, if you convert if the table, if the table has been converted into range, so then the table will stop functioning. table will stop functioning. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. Okay, so where is that options? So if the table has been converted into range, the table will stop functioning. Means this filter options you will not be activated in this case. Okay, so that is the thing. If I'll convert this table, you have to go to the design tab. You have to convert into range. So do you want to convert the table range to the normal range? Now it's become normal table. That functioning cannot be possible in this case. Okay, so this is called your, what is that? Stop functioning. So table designs, we can export this, we can insert a slicer. So what is that? If I want to insert a slicer for this, so I'm clicking on total sales, you can see one slicer is also insert on this. Okay, you can change the slicer colors. This is actually, it's converted is like pivot table. So six, it will filter the data. What is a slicer meaning? It will filter the data. Okay, so if I'm selecting here and this, these two three datas will be displaying here. If you click on this is called multi select. So this is known as your slicer. Once you clear the filter, all datas will come back. So this is known as slicer. So the slicer can be also, what can be done here, we can give total sales, you can add multiple slicer on this. Now you can add the columns, you can select the height and width of this. Okay, width of this you can add. So this is the slicer itself. On total sales, you can add multiple slicer on this. Only one slicer we have done. Again you click on this table, for the table design you can insert more slicer on this. Suppose I am giving product wise. Okay, so basmati rice it's showing, so here it should be product. So this is the product itself. Now I'll select this, go to the design, then slicer, only on products, click on OK. Now you can see this is also one slicer here. Okay, so you can select this, any other colors. This is Amul butter, you can see on the cornflakes. So sunflower oil, cornflakes on this. So if you are selecting both these things, it will be displaying this. So this is called multi slicer. So all data as you come up, it will also clear off. So this is called slicer on this. Which one you will take, according to that data will be filtered on this. Okay, so this is the user slicer. Any doubts in that? Hello, anyone has any doubt in this? Let me know. So everyone understood this, how to use slicer on that. So this is the table designs you will get on this. Now suppose this data I want to export to the SharePoint, that is in the advanced Excel it is. So this much you have to do, convert into range. You can give the table names. So suppose I am giving here table name as a total sales or sales of this, sales underscore you have to give 2023. So like this I have given. So you can see the table name has, as soon as you click on this table designs, you will get the name for this. Okay, so here you can see in the name box, to automatically it will be selecting here, right? Products means it will be selecting here. Table 1 it will be select here. This is the table name and this is your table 2. This is your table 2003. You can find out all these things. Okay, one more tables we have. This is called mark sheet that we have not given the name. If you select this, you can select the your name as a mark sheet. So you should better you give on this. So it will be mark sheet. So when you click on this, mark sheet also will be highlighting. Okay. So till this, any doubts you have? Anyone has any doubt on that? Table styles, convert into range, everything you understood. Now I am going to do insert and delete rows and columns. Okay. So I'll take small data for this. Country, or I'll take suppose teams. So this is I am taking one scoreboard here. Scoreboard. Okay. So this is my teams. And next I am going to do here, suppose 10 overs, and I'm going to here 20 overs. Okay. So 20 overs. To unmerge the cells, I am going to do this center. So select this as you take as a bold. So I am taking this, increase the size, scoreboard itself. And next is the teams. I'll take this as a red and make it as a bold, increase the size. Now this is my teams is like RCB. Okay. KKR, MI, Mumbai Indians, and CSK. Other also you can take. So this is my teams and all. Okay. Suppose RCB has scored after 10 overs. This is 90. This is 100, 110. MI did suppose 120. This is suppose CSK done 80, like this. So next time going here is code 140. This is I'm not doing calculations. I'm just assuming on that. So this is 130. Then MI got one, sorry, like 20, 120 is there, 140, uh, 140. This is suppose I'm making as a 150, whatever is there. Okay. Then this is your 130 or 140 or 120. We'll give like this. Okay. So this is one simple scoreboard I have given. And in this, I want to use now insert and delete. So this scoreboards, I can use one chart also here. So what is this insert and delete? Suppose I want to 10 overs, 20 overs is there. I want to make it as a 30 overs. And one more I want to add in this. So it's a T20 match, so let it be like 20 overs only. I'm not going to add here. I want to show you one charts here. So select this team and you have to go to this your insert tab. Insert tab, I'm going to do here one chart options like your line chart. So how to do line chart on this? You can select on this line chart. So use this chart type as shown to a trend bar. Before that, I want to show you in the small example on this. Insert, delete rows and columns. So go to the insert. I can enter one row. Okay, entire row. So one more row has added. Suppose I want to forget one team. Right click on this, go to the insert and insert to entire row. One more row you can add it. If you know the themes and all, you can get it. So I want to delete the rows. So click on entire rows, you can delete it. Right. I can add the columns here. Insert columns, entire columns, click on OK. So this workbook will not work. It's taking. Okay, you can add this. If you have a tables, you can add it on this. So likewise, any row you want to delete, you can delete the rows, entire rows. It will be deleted here. Okay. You can hide the rows here. Right click on this, you can hide the rows. But once this row has hidden, it will be difficult to come back. But once you did not save means it will come back. Okay. Now I am selecting this table. I want to go to the insert tab. Likewise, your insert, delete rows and columns is there. Delete shells, delete rows, delete columns, and delete sheets. You can delete the sheets also. Right. Format, row height. What is the default row height? If I'll go to the new sheets, if I'll go to the new sheets, suppose here my default sheet is the sheet number 2, sheet number 3. Okay. So here we can see our row height. The default row height is 15. If I want to do column width, so 8.43 is the default row column width. By you can see on the clicking itself. Now I am going to do here, go to the insert tab, pivot table. Anyone has any doubts in this? You can insert, delete rows and columns. So that is in the format itself. You can go to the home tab. Here the options is there. Here the options is there. Insert cells, insert, delete all these things you can is there. Format. You can hide and unhide the rows and columns. I want to hide one columns here. So you can hide this. Select this and go to the format, hide columns. So you can hide. Okay. So these things you can do on this. Protect sheets. I want to protect the sheets. Right click on this. So go to the tab colors. We can use the tab colors here. And I want to give the protections for the sheets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm giving the password for this. Again, you will give 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on OK. So what is that? The sheet has been protected. If you will try to edit on this, you will not be able to edit on that. Okay. So how to unprotect? Right click on this, unprotect the sheet. Give the password again and click on unprotect. Till that, anyone has any doubts? Let me know that. Hello. Hello. Anyone has any doubt in this? In format, rename the sheets. We can change the name. We can give the tab color. We can use the protect sheets. That means cell will be locked. Okay. So anyone has any doubt in this? Okay. So now I am going to tell you this is pivot tables. What is the meaning of pivot table? We are going to the insert tab now. So this is the meaning of pivot table. Easily arrange and summarize complex data in a pivot table. Okay. So what is that? If I'll say in a simple sentence, this pivot table is used for quick response. Okay. So how to convert this table in a pivot table? So select this table. Go to the pivot table from table range. Okay. So table range. Click on this. So defaultly it will take in a new worksheet. Click on OK. So what will happen? It will jump to the another sheets. So this I am giving the name as a pivot table. Okay. The sheet name I have given pivot table. Once you click on this, teams I am taking in a row level. 10 overs in value level and 20 overs in value level. Now you can see this is the things. If you want to edit on this table, you can go to the field list. See the teams you can take in the column levels. It will be displaying in this way. And always the text column should be in the row level. Okay. So this you will change. Your pivot tables will be changing here. Right. So you should drag and drop. All the numerical data you can drag and drop in this. Okay. Some sound is coming. Hello. Hello. Okay. Now you can see on the design tab and you can give banded rows, banded columns here. So all these things will be displaying. And pivot table analyze. These tables we can convert into slicer, we can convert into timeline, but timeline we can't do because we don't have a date columns here. But in this case, I can insert a slicer. As you can see, teams on this, you can see the slicer. Click on OK. So team wise, it will show the datas. Okay. Likewise, it will show. So this is called your slicer, as I told in the previous sheets also. Next, I go to the conditional formatting. This I want to make it in the charts. Is it possible to make it pivot chart for this? So this I am going to delete. As I told you the slicer, what is that? So select this and we can go to the insert. Here it is, pivot chart is there. So you can go to the pivot chart. Click here. You will get the options pivot chart. And I am taking here line chart. So I am taking in line with markers. Click on OK. So you can see this is known as pivot chart and the line with markers. Okay, because two things we have, so it is showing. This is called legend. Okay, this we can give as a format. You can give backgrounds for this. Okay, you can give like this. You can give like this. So this is my background here. If I want to change the same colors, you can change the different colors background, so it will be visible to you. And here I want to add data levels, data tables. So you can see I can use the data tables also, right? So this chart I am going to little increase. So you can see all of it. Now teams. You don't want to see Mumbai Indians, you don't want to see CSK. So it will be two datas, it will be displaying here. Okay. If you are selecting all these things, it will be come as a like that. So this is called line chart. Okay. By using pivot table, and the chart name is like line with markers. So style is style also I should give your design. The chart designs with what is that? You can see pivot chart. This is the line with marker. This is line with marker, and the style is, what is the style for this? I'll take suppose this chart and I'll go to the design. Here I can apply for the style 2. So you can see this is I have given style 2. Okay. Formats I am giving here. So style is called style 2. So style 2 I have given. Okay. So this many, I'll just highlight this bold. Okay. So this is the line chart, line with markers. So this is the line with markers here. So I'm taking here black color so you can see that. So this is the style 2 I have given. So this is called, yeah, Aja. Here we have to add the title, axis title. I want to show the axis title in the primary horizontal or more options. You can see it will be displaying here. Okay, so I add the chart title. You want to add this chart title, axis title I don't want. So chart title is known as scoreboard. Scoreboard. So I have given like this. If you want to add more columns, you can add also, and you can add it on this. Okay. So this is also one type of charts. So this is called line chart by using pivot tables, and line with markers is the style 2 I have applied. Okay. Again, I go to the conditional sheets. My records is there. So I am going to go to the pie chart here. So I am taking product and sales. This one I am taking. So this is actually product. So mistakenly I did like this. Okay, suppose this table I am going to take. I want to rename as a pivot table. Pivot table and charts. So now I am going to teach pie chart on this. So I'll clear the formats. So select the product name, hold the control keys. I'm selecting the price. Go to the insert tab, click on pie chart. So I'm taking the pie. Okay, so this is based on the price. Right click on this add data levels. You can see the data levels is added. In this you can give the format. So you can give your shape fields. You can give texture. You can give textures for this price. You can sorry, this price you can say is the size of this, and you can make it as a bold, or else you can go to the formats. You give different designs for this. So I have given this designs. So this is called your pie chart. What is that? 3D pie. So here one option is called text box. So this is 3D pie. 3D pie chart. So here that option is there. Okay. So pie chart, you can select this. Go to the shape formats. Give like this and little increase the size on that. So this is 3D pie chart. Even you can give the colors for this. So I'll take suppose different field. I'll take gradient. More gradients. You can select your gradient fields also. So I am taking this colors here, multiple colors. So this is pink and this is I am giving as a blue. So you can see multiple colors also I have given on the text box. So this is called your text box. Insert, illustration, shapes. So I am going to take different shapes here. So this is your charts. Add the colors for this, or different colors you take, pink. Okay, so this is the 3D pie chart. Okay, so any doubts in this till now? Anyone has any doubts? Anyone has any doubts on that? Let me know that. Hello. So in this case, if for 3D pie chart, you have to select. So pie chart based on two columns data. Two columns data. So I have selected. So select the product name, hold the control keys, and select a price column. To insert pie chart. Okay. So this chart I am moving here. Okay, this chart also different styles we have. We can change the colors for this monochromatic also we can take palette 3, so it will be changing the colors here also. If you want to edit legend here, already legend is there, so these are called legends. You can change the legend colors, go to the formats, select the legend color, so it will be looking darker here. You can see the legend here. Okay, so this you select, go to the home, make it as a bold, so it will be designing here. Okay, so this is all this your pie charts. This is line chart, other things we did. Likewise column chart also we can, but column chart also based on the multiple columns. So anyone has any doubt till now, let me know on that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the production chart, I have doubt.
Production chart, this is not production chart ma. This is product name sales
The
it is.
last one.
Hello,
Ma'am, not this one. Ma'am,
which
before
one?
the
Two charts only I told. The scoreboard chart we did, and this one price chart. In this conditional formatting, sales chart only we did. Production chart we have not done. This is only slicer on that.
this one.
Okay, this is not chart, this is slicer.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay,
this one.
okay, and tell me what is the doubt on that.
Ma'am, I didn't get to know the slicer one.
Okay, slicer, what is that? Just select the tables here, go to the design. Okay, so here slicer is called filter data visually. Okay, we have a tables, I want to filter the data according to my queries. So if I'll click on slicer, I'll get some options here. So you can give quantity basis, you can give price, total sales, date of sales. Suppose you want to see the date of sales, it will be displaying here. Click on OK. Now you can see I want to see only 5th Jan details. Only 5th Jan details will be displaying on this table. So filter the data visually. Okay, so that is the use of slicer. So this is the date of sales slicers. If you want, I'll show you this one. Now you can see. So if you give 5th, 1st Feb, it will show the 1st Feb data. 4th Feb means 4th Feb data. 6th Feb means 6th Feb data. Okay, once you clear the filter, every data will be coming up. So this is called your slicer. Okay, so this is the
Yes, ma'am.
slicer here. Okay, I have inserted all. You can see total sales product as well as date of sales also I have taken in this. Okay, so this also you can practice on that. Okay, that's all for the day. uh, so let me know till that any doubts. Today's we covered the conditional formatting, as well as we did pivot tables as well as slicers, and we did some charts also, that is line chart and pie chart. Practice this much. Okay, next class will be on Wednesday I think. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am, your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat?
yeah, so which one? That is already done. Conditional from slices we has done. So no, that's all for the day. Today's sessions is now going to end. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class other topics. Okay,
Ma'am, so tomorrow no class?
I think it's on Wednesday. We'll get to know
Okay.
soon. Okay, so
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all for the day, students. Okay, so we'll meet you on the next
Ma'am, why
class.
no class tomorrow, ma'am?
We'll get to know. So quickly you'll get to know. But today's sessions is over now. Okay, it's on a which day class actually. This is on Monday. It's right. Monday, Wednesday,
Ma'am,
or
every day we used to have class.
every day it is okay. No problem. Maybe till tomorrow it will be there. So you'll get the informations from our of center side. Okay. So I'll wind up the stations now. Practice with this whatever I taught you. Okay. So meet you on the next
Mom, the
class.
recording is there, right?
Recording will be there. Okay.
Excuse me,
Because I
ma'am.
had a very bad network issue. Like I was messaging you.
Yeah, yeah. It is its recordings is there. So maybe we'll sending on that.
Yeah, Yeah, I still can't see the screen. I can only hear your voice. That's the problem.
Okay, so recordings will be there. You will get that. Okay. So
Okay,
Excuse me,
we'll
thank you,
ma'am.
thank you,
wind up
ma'am.
the sessions now. Tell me.
Ma'am, where do we see our attendance, ma'am?
Ma'am, will you take the
Y-
attendance now?
Yeah, yeah, we'll take it. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
okay,
where
bye
do we see
bye.
our attendance? Is it on the student portal?
Yeah, it will on student portal only. So just 2 minutes. Be online, every students. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, we'll get the information in the next class. Tomorrow you will get the information about that. Okay. So, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.